Here are some currency questions, and we've got the exchange rates on the right. So we'll just work through how to answer these kinds of questions. So first of all, we're asked for an exchange between pounds sterling and euros. We've got the exchange rate, direct rate between pounds and euros, so we can use this. And the way I do these is I draw a small table. So on one side we put our pounds, and on the other side our other currency, euros. And we use the exchange rate, put the values on the relevant sides at the top of the table, and what we need to work out is our multiplier to get from one to another. So if you start with the 1, then you know you multiply by that number to get there. So our multiplier from pounds to euros is 1.14. Underneath in the table we can say £1,500. To work out what that is in euros, then we use this multiplier. So that's our answer to the first question. Second question, we're still working between euros and pounds, but we're given our starting amount in euros, so we'll put it on this side of the table, the euros side. We want to get from that side back to that side, and going the opposite direction we do the opposite operation, and that gives us £3,245, round it to 2 decimal places. So answer number 2. Question 2. Right, let's have a look at question 3. We're now working between Yemeni rials and euros. We don't have the exchange rate directly between rials and euros, so what we need to do is we need to work from Yemeni rials to pounds, and then from pounds to euros. So if you're starting this from scratch, you might want to do 2 tables like I'm going to do now. So we're starting with the Yemeni rials, so this is our exchange rate we're interested in. Laying it out like this hopefully makes it clear which directions you multiply in. It's going from 1 to the number of rials, so we times 1 by the multiplier will give us 309.62. So what is our currency we're starting with? We're starting with rials, so we'll put the 10,000 on this side. To get back from here, then we can see it's clear we need to divide. We're going in the opposite direction, so we divide by 309.62, gives us £32.30. We're halfway there. We need it in euros still, so now we want to work from pounds to euros. So put the number of pounds we've got on the pound side of the table, times by 1.14. Round to 2 decimal places, there we have it. So 10,000 Yemeni riyals are worth 36 euros 82. Right, last question. What's the price for €1 in Yemeni riyals? So what we're doing here is we're saying if you've got £1, sorry, €1, what's that worth in riyals? And so we're doing the opposite operations from what we did to get from riyals to euros. So let's just think a moment. To get from riyals to euros, we divided by 309.62 and then we times by 1.14. We're doing the opposite. We're starting here with the euros, so we're starting with €1, so we're dividing by 1.14. That takes us to pounds, and then pounds to riyals, we're multiplying by 309.62. And so our answer is 271 round to 2dp. So that's our answer.